Okay, so this next test is called the Slump test, and this is going to give me some more feedback as far as, again, the patterning of things and the pattern of pain. So it's going to be seated. I'm going to demonstrate with my right leg. So if you have an issue on your left side, you would obviously do this on your left. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go against all the rules of posture, and I want you to slump your spine. So we want to go into spinal flexion first, spinal flexion. Does that create low back pain, the sensation? Do you have anything going down your leg, etc.? Okay. Now let's do a little further. Now we're going to tuck the chin and slump. So we're tucking, so we're curling our upper body, okay? So how does that feel? Okay, so now we're going to incorporate the leg, right? Because we're trying to create, so if we already have pain with this and this, we're dealing with maybe something coming from the neck down the spine into the multifidus and those lumbar stabilizers, right? So that's part one. And then it can contribute to things going down south, right? Okay, so we're going to slump, bring the leg out. How does that feel? Does that produce pain? Is it too much to take, right? Then we can take it a little further, and it puts people in a really awkward position. But again, it tells me a story, is we want to bring that ankle towards the shin, right? So my leg is straight down. I don't know if you can see it. My leg is straight down on the floor. My heel is touching the floor, and my foot is coming. My toes are going towards my chin, so I'm creating dorsiflexion. So I'm slumping, chin to my chest, leg is straight, pulling that foot. How does that feel? Does that create the sensation down the leg? Okay, so this is going to give me more ideas as to what's going on. So for example, if you say, when I slump here, it produces the pain. Then I'm going to look at, something like the dura mater, which starts at the occipital area, encompasses the whole spinal column down to the lumbar area, right? So that would be something we could address first. Then if we tuck the chin, slump, and it makes it worse, then I can confirm what we're thinking, right? Because that dura mater starts here at the occipital area again, and it encompasses the spine and goes all the way down. But then when we incorporate that leg, oh boy, is it now feeding into the leg, that sensation, right? Then when we dorsiflex, put it all together, create a closed position with everything, what happens? So give me your feedback on that, and we will see what happens. Thank you so much.